Dogecoin is trading sideways. It is kind of boring. It's not really going much up, down. It's not really going much up. And we're pretty much seeing some boring sideways action. However, I think things are going to change here very soon. There's some pretty and very big catalysts that are going to be taking place that are going to directly affect the price of Dogecoin here. So make sure you guys stay tuned because you cannot miss this video today. What's up everyone, my name is Miles and every single day I make videos about Dogecoin, giving you the latest and greatest news of cryptocurrencies and doing technical analysis. So if you want to learn how to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. Okay, so I'm giving away 250 Doge to one lucky winner tonight. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, but stay tuned for my Instagram story tonight because that is where I will be announcing the winner. And if you guys love Dogecoin and you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and hit the like button for your support for the channel and cryptocurrencies so we can get this information out to other people. And if you want to get my daily trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you want me to help you build a portfolio, I can teach you how to do technical analysis. You can join the 4,000 member Discord, join the Patreon, which is in the link in the description below. Last night, we bought Ethereum when it dipped and we made approximately already at least to a high of 8.5% in just a few hours. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update right now on Dogecoin, where we are headed, how are things looking, and I'm also going to be telling you some incredible up and coming catalysts that are going to directly affect the price of Dogecoin in a very good way. First and foremost, let's take a look at the coin market cap, where we see the trading volume for Dogecoin is up 23% from yesterday. Dogecoin currently right now is ranked number 6 out of all cryptocurrency in the world and has a $41 billion market cap, which should be rising here very soon. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. All of this is my opinion based on my years of experience, investment, and trading. Before diving into the catalyst that is going to be directly affecting the price of Dogecoin in a positive way, I want to remind you that currently our cryptocurrency market is in a correction. A correction is a period of a bull run. It's when things are going up, they have to take a pit stop to cool off because things pumped up really fast, really hard, and they broke really crazy highs. So what happens is there's people, they start to take profits, and then the big institutions, they come out, they create false fear, they create all this fake news to cause greater sell-offs to bring the price back down so that they can buy it at a cheaper price. So every day we're consistently seeing all of this bad news. If you just look up cryptocurrencies, you're pretty much only seeing bad news. You're seeing, oh, Bitcoin's going to go to 5,000 or 10,000, Dogecoin's going to 0. All of this is fake news to cause you to sell cryptocurrencies, which cause chain reactions, especially to people who are new to investing and don't understand sell-offs and corrections. So the big whales, these big institutions, are causing fake fear. They're causing false news to come out to scare the little guy, the person who has very little experience with investing, because there's a lot of new investors into the market now. They cause them to sell, which causes major chain reactions, which bring the price down 50 to 60%, which we are seeing now. We're continually seeing this fake and false fear to cause and bring the market down as much as possible, and eventually they exhaust their means, and at that point, that's when they start to buy more, and they're actually buying right now. Data proves it. You can even look it up. But we are seeing them accumulate now, but eventually it's going to bottom out and cryptocurrencies are going to get back to where they were, and they're going to go much further beyond. And if you want a really good platform to buy Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies and stocks, doing stock options, use my WEBULL link, which is in my video description below, which if you deposit $100, they will give you 3 free stocks worth now up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell with or buy cryptocurrencies, whatever you want to do. So understanding our current market environment, we are seeing just a lot of fear, but this fear is going to stop and it's going to turn into greed. The market is going to recover here very soon. And I think towards the end of the month, that's when we're going to start to see a bit of a strong recovery, which is going to cause an opposite chain reaction. Just like we're having a chain reaction of people panic selling and fear, we're going to have an opposite chain reaction where there's going to be fear of missing out. It's going to cause a lot of people to jump in, to buy in. And then institutions are also going to be getting at the same time. We have countries investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and it's going to cause an even bigger reaction than the bull run we just previously have seen a few weeks ago. I believe this bull run is going to be much stronger, much faster, and we're going to see even greater heights for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin. So corrections generally last a period of weeks, maybe a month and a half. 2 months, maybe 3 months at the most, and we are nearing the end of this correction. So with this correction ending, we now have a bunch of catalysts that will potentially be coming out around the time of the market starting to pick up. And as we know historically, June is actually a bearish month for cryptocurrencies and stocks. So there's not that much trading going on. There's not a lot of money being put in and around June because there's people traveling, businesses, they have people off. There's a lot of things that are causing money to be slow in this time period, and it happens every single year. But let's go ahead right now and talk about those catalysts that are going to be directly affecting the price of Dogecoin. First and foremost, we have Robinhood. They are going to be creating, and they're creating right now, it might be ready, but they have yet to release the cryptocurrency wallets for their platform. Now, a lot of people are hesitant to use Robinhood because of the problems that they've previously had with the application shutting down when there's a lot of volume, when people are trying to buy Dogecoin at the top and trying to sell this and that. There was a lot of problems and issues which caused a lot of people to move away from Robinhood. But a lot of people, there's a huge majority of the people that use Robinhood actually are able to use and purchase Dogecoin. So they're actually creating wallets where you can send and receive cryptocurrencies. So when this does happen, I believe it's going to have a huge impact on Dogecoin, which is the most popular cryptocurrency to be purchased on that application. When this happens, I believe it's going to have a massive impact directly to the price of Dogecoin, including the cryptocurrency market, because there's a lot of Americans who prefer only to use Robinhood. And it's going to cause a lot of people who maybe don't want to use Coinbase or other platforms which seem more difficult to use Robinhood, and they're going to be gaining access now to buy Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. So if more people start to buy Bitcoin, or more people start to even buy only Ethereum, it's going to cause a chain reaction in the entire crypto market, which Dogecoin will be directly affected by. So what gives me reason to believe that Robinhood is going to be releasing this soon is that they are having an IPO, which is going to be most likely in the middle of July. Now, a lot of people are speculating, including myself, that before they do the IPO, they're going to most likely want to have these cryptocurrency wallets. An IPO is an initial public offering where the company becomes publicly traded and available to be traded on the New York Stock Exchange. In order to gain the eyes of investors, investors are probably going to want to see Robinhood have these cryptocurrency wallets. And I think Robinhood having these cryptocurrency wallets before the IPO will cause more of an eye in investors to jump in because they understand the growth and the desire of people wanting to get into cryptocurrency investing. We have an article to prove that this is actually happening. Vlad, the Robinhood CEO, said previously that we'll offer a crypto wallet as fast as possible. They have been working on this since March, and actually prior to that, they've been diligently working on it. So talking about and understanding the IPO that is imminent, I think that this piece of news is going to directly affect Dogecoin, especially if we are starting to head up in a bull run in a very positive way. And here's another catalyst that I think is going to have a huge impact directly on Dogecoin. And that is Elon Musk is getting a Shiba Inu. Now, Elon Musk, I couldn't find the tweet, but he said that when he comes back from Japan, when he goes to Japan, I don't remember when, but it's going to be pretty soon here, that he's going to buy a Shiba Inu there. Now, the Shiba Inu is obviously, it's the dog that represents the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. It's the dog that is in all the memes that we see here on the internet. However, why I think this is going to have a huge impact is because Elon Musk is going to be sending a lot of videos, a lot of pictures of his dogs, potentially creating a lot of memes. And we know that whenever cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin is in a strong bull run, is in a strong market, any type of Dogecoin tweet from Elon Musk causes 20 to 30% surges, huge surges, even greater than that. And not only do we have these catalysts that are going to directly affect Dogecoin, we have this huge update coming to Ethereum to make it deflationary next month, to make it more efficient. And this is going to cause a lot of money to flow into Ethereum because the gas fees are going to be reduced significantly, which is going to make institutional interest open even more and more desirable. So this is going to bring directly Ethereum up, which is the leader of the altcoins. And whenever Ethereum goes up, we generally always see Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies pump along with it. So we have this update coming out. We have later this fall, there's a huge update coming out to Bitcoin actually, which is going to make it more efficient. The gas fees are going to be cheaper. It's going to potentially open up smart contracts and much more to Bitcoin, which will bring up the whole crypto market as well. So taking a look at Dogecoin, we did see a bit of a dump yesterday. We went from 36 cents all the way down to about 30 cents exactly. And now we're seeing Dogecoin kind of correlate with the price of Bitcoin. So a lot of analysts and big banks are still saying that Bitcoin should hit 200,000, potentially even greater. So if Bitcoin can hit 200,000, and if Bitcoin does hit 200,000, and Dogecoin generally way outperforms Bitcoin, and I think that we could conservatively say that Dogecoin should easily, if Bitcoin does hit 200,000 over or around that number, that we can easily say Dogecoin should easily be able to surpass $2. But looking at the current price, we are seeing a bit of a green day, but I would not be surprised if we see further red tomorrow, if we see further red tonight, and I would not be surprised if we see further sideways trading for a while now. And let's go ahead and do some brief technical analysis so we can see if Dogecoin is in an uptrend, where we are headed. But based on our lows, this is very important. Our lows are continually getting higher, and the lows are not surpassing the previous low, which shows some very good price strength in Dogecoin. So my guess is that this pattern is continually being played out and is not breaking. And I don't foresee this pattern breaking anytime soon. However, it is certainly a possibility. We can go down lower. Yes, we could go down to further levels of support, 29 cents. We can go to 28 cents. We can go to 24 cents. These are certain possibilities, especially with all of this fear, all of this crazy stuff in the market. However, understanding the fundamentals of Dogecoin, understanding the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies and where they're headed, all of these countries now starting to accept Bitcoin, this and that, all of these good news, and these things are catalysts that are only going to bring cryptocurrencies up. So personally, I think that by the end of this month, once the futures contracts expire on that Friday, and then we have the next month, generally the first of the months, if you have bearish months, the first periods of the month, you will see some very strong bullish momentum. And especially since we've been in a sideways trading action for a while now, that if by the end of the month we are still trading sideways, I think the first of the month we will start to see some pretty big booms and some strong momentum back into the market, including some FOMO, which will cause a big chain reaction. And then we have all of these catalysts coming out. So honestly, I think we could see potentially 50 to 60 cents by next month. And if we continue this very strong bull run, we could potentially get back next month to all-time highs. But most likely, I conservatively believe that we can get into the 50s, 60s by the end of next month, the middle of next month, sometime next month. So if you guys like this video, you enjoyed it, please like this video, share it with some of your friends and family, subscribe if you have not done so already, and join the Patreon if you want to check out my services and my trade alerts. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.